welcome to another video. So today I've decided I'm going to do my first Halloween set. I've been dying for this time of year to come round. So today I'm going to do a nice pink cutesy Halloween set. So I'm going to start off by giving all the nails a coat of Smelly Cat.
Can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I'm using the Madam Glam's pink gel paint and the Madam Glam's Detail liner brush. I'm going to paint a slice on this ring fingernail. Now on this pinky fingernail I'm going to paint a smile line, and then coming off the smile line I'm going to paint some drippy drips.
Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I'm going to give them a cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with Madam Glam's The Boardwalk. I'm going to paint another slice. So I'm using the brush out of the bottle to paint the majority of it, and then I'm going to neaten it up with my detail liner brush. I'm going to give that cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm using the Madam Glam's pink gel paint again. And I'm going to start off by painting a heart about here at an angle. Then coming off that heart, I'm going to paint 6 lines. And this is going to have a cobweb coming around the heart. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint, and we're going to paint the scream mask. So the easiest way to paint a screen mask, I think, is start off with a T. Like that, yeah? And then join the end of the lines up. Then fill that in with a white. Cure that for 60 seconds. Then we're going to use the Madam Glam's black gel paint. Alright, remember guys, this is a super quick and easy way to do the screen mask. So we're not going into great detail, we're not going into shading, highlighting and things like that today. We're just doing super quick and easy. So his eyes are kind of shaped like kidney beans. This is like a triangle. It's actually more like a upside down love heart. And then his mouth. And to do his mouth, you're just better off doing a T. And then just joining it up. Then I'm going to give that a quick cure for 60 seconds. So instead of the original black hood, he's having a pink hood. So I'm going to pop some of the Boardwalk on my palette. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to use the Madam Glam's black gel paint and we're going to do some stitching. Now this stitching doesn't want to be neat, guys. It wants to look quite rough. I was finding this really hard to not do it neat. I wanted them all to look the same. But yeah, it needs to look quite rough and uneven. Nearly ready for top coat now, guys. Just want to go under his eyes here like this. I don't know why, it's just bugging me. I feel like I need to emphasize his bags. Right, so I'm going to give that a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm just going to do a couple of little love hearts. Cure that for 60 seconds. Right guys, these are all ready for some top coat. And I'm going to give them a matte top coat. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. My favourite matte top coat over this is, guys. It's a really, really nice top coat. I'm going to pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that is my first Halloween set of the year finished. What do you guys think? If I'm being honest, I'm quite disappointed with them. My artwork is so much better than that. I thought I was feeling up to doing a set of nails today, but I quite clearly wasn't quite ready. But they're alright. They're not a set that needed to be super neat anyway, but I would have just liked them to be a lot neater, and I know I can do a lot better than that. So I'm a little bit peed off with myself, but it's kept me busy. That's the main thing, and it just means I'll have to do better in my next video. All the Madam Glam products that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box like I normally do, guys. I've also got a Madam Glam discount code as well, GG30. It's always worth checking my description box for discount codes because I've got so many in there now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.